Poka Yoke, the mistake-proofing philosophy built into Comair systems. In manufacturing, even minor errors in assembly or torque can lead to major consequences. Bullseye. That's why Comair integrates the Poka Yoke principle, an approach that prevents mistakes before they happen, not after. Examples of Poka Yoke in Comair systems: lock position locking mechanisms. Torque tools won't activate unless placed correctly. Repeat button mandatory step-by-step sequencing. Each step must be completed in order before the next begins. Brain sensor plus logic control integration. Sensors detect correct force, position and log results at each stage. Bullseye. Key benefits: minimize human error and misassembly. Ensure consistent process quality. Protect both products and operators. Reduce time spent on final inspection.